Introducing the new Rocky Ridge Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This is a workhorse redefined, and it's more than just a pickup truck. It is a fully upfitted machine ready to excel whether you're out tackling demanding work or you're embarking on your next big adventure. Available in both the K1 and the enhanced XP edition, this truck offers a blend of compatibility and style that's sure to impress. At the core of every Rocky Ridge transformation is the suspension lift kit, and this 2500 HD features your choice of a 5-inch or a 6.5-inch premium suspension lift that's paired with the Fox gas shocks to tackle any terrain on-road or off. Paired with this really nice stance, you can get 35-inch or 37-inch premium all-terrain tires depending on the size of your lift. And these tires come mounted on your choice of 20 or 22-inch custom wheels. Options include satin black, satin gunmetal, or that gloss black with the milled edges, allowing you to really personalize your truck aesthetic and pair it with that nice exterior of the truck. You can express your personal touch with an extensive selection of paints for these trucks, and you can choose from a wide selection of standard colors that are available on the K1, or go all out and unleash your creativity with virtually unlimited custom paint choices on the XP. Along with the paint, these trucks come with your choice of body color matched pocket style or sleek smooth style fender flares. Additionally, you'll find some really unique touches like the Rocky Ridge exterior graphics package, exterior badging throughout, and the serialized badges in the interior. And you can keep your privacy with that 50-state legal window tint on all Rocky Ridge trucks. Climbing up into these trucks is a breeze with the convenient power running boards that are designed to automatically extend and retract when the doors are open, along with those really nice Rocky Ridge puddle lights. Inside the cabin, you'll discover a refined and functional space where you can enjoy the comfort of Rocky Ridge custom-stitched headrests, or you can go all out and get premium leather seat covers with custom stitching. And you can keep all of your valuables secure with a lockable center console safe. These Rocky Ridge Silverado HDs are offered in either a 6.6-liter gas or 6.6-liter diesel engine under the hood, putting out upwards of 470 horsepower and nearly 1,000 foot-pounds of torque on the diesel. All of the gas trucks receive a custom catback exhaust system for that really nice throaty rumble. When visibility is key, the XP editions provide an advanced IllumiRidge lighting package. This includes powerful hood-mounted LED lights for enhanced illumination. Also available is RGB rock lights for that customizable underbody accent, and flush-mounted rear bumper lights add to safety and style. A wireless switch controller puts you in command of the powerful lighting system. These Rocky Ridge Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HDs represent a commitment to quality, to performance, and to your individual style. And they're backed by a comprehensive 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, so you can confidently tackle any challenge with this thing. And for more information on all of these features of these trucks, or to spec out your own, you can head over to foxfactoryvehicles.com or go by your local dealership and experience that Rocky Ridge difference. But remember, your adventure awaits.